Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Green Bengal. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show how to propagate Euphorbia Trigona from stem cutting. Euphorbia Trigona is a perennial ornamental houseplant growing up to 3 meter tall. It's commonly known as African milk tree and originates from Central Africa. It belongs to the Euphorbiaceae family and it is a pest-free, low-maintenance plant. Euphorbia Trigona plant propagation can be done by stem cutting, and you can do it any time of the year, but best growing season is spring. First of all, cut any healthy stem. When you cut the stem, white latex come out from here. The latex is a poisonous and it can cause skin irritations. Now I am make potting mix for Euphorbia Trigona plant. The ratio of the potting mix is 60% normal garden soil, 20% vermicompost and 20% fine sand. Mix it well. Otherwise you can use cactus potting mix. Take a pot with well drainage system and fill it with potting mix. Before planting stem cutting, allow to dry 2 to 5 days for callus. Make a hole center of the potting mix with your finger and place this cutting into the hole and press it gently. Finally, give some water and keep it partial set place. It is my another 2-month-old cutting. Now we transplant into the another pot. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video and share my video. Have you any query? Please comment me and subscribe to my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.